Hi everyone, I am Sharmila, Department of Computer Science and Engineering from SNS College of Engineering. About our placement. We have separate placement cell for placement to improve our technical and soft skills. We have separate aptitude class which is very useful for students to clear their aptitude test easily. Our staffs are giving very easy steps to clear the aptitude test. Most of our seniors are placed in good company with good salary. Nowadays, our college staffs are arranging placement training for second year also. So, our students gaining more knowledge about placement and how to place in best company. Students are training little by little for placement from second year itself. So we can place easily in best company with best salary. About our infrastructure, our environment is full of green and we have relaxing place like park. Our college staffs are so friendly and very caring person. Our college conducting more events to improve our knowledge and some entertaining events also. Our college providing ARP scholarship, that is nothing but all-round performance scholarship, that is very useful for students to improve their knowledge, and that scholarship also encourage the students in best way. And our college providing best outgoing student award, that is useful for students to encourage themselves. About design thinking. Design thinking is nothing but to improve the students' knowledge in various ways. In design thinking, we make a new project with seniors and juniors. So we have good friendship with seniors and juniors. We can clarify our doubts with seniors also. Design thinking is conducted for a week. There are 5 pillars of SNS. That is, first one is Center for Learning and Teaching. That is design thinking based academic learning. The second one is Skill and Career Development. That is building business skills and life skills through various clubs. Third one is Center for Creativity. That is hands-on experience to solve key industry problems through latest technologies. The fourth one is Industry Institute Partnership Cell, that is connecting and learning sense with top industries. The final one is Social Responsibility Initiatives, that is giving back to the society through social service. There are 7 innovation industry verticals. The first one is Agriculture and Food Technologies. The next one is Healthcare. Third one is Energy. Fourth one is Aerospace and Defense. Fifth one is Smart City. Sixth one is Automobiles. And the final one is FinTech. Finally, I thank our college to encourage ourselves, and they are supporting us in many ways to improve our knowledge. And I really thank our computer science department to encourage us in best ways and support us in different ways to improve our knowledge. Thanking you.